So what's going on, Gas Gang? Yes, we are back with another video on the Integra Type R, and it's the first step of the turbo build. Guys, this is going to be proper interesting. As you can see, we've got the Integra behind me. We're down at MK Performance. Guys, you don't want to miss this, so stay tuned and let's get it. So yes, guys, as the intro said, today we are down at MK Performance, and I've got the Integra, and yes, it's the first part of the turbo build, I guess. Today, we're not putting the turbo in, but we're putting a few parts in to support the turbo. And as I said, we're down at MK Performance, and as you probably see behind me, we've got a man like me here. Bro, you will be new to everyone on my channel, or people wouldn't have seen you, but you are obviously the owner of MK Performance. Yep. Some keen eye viewers would notice you have worked with a couple of other YouTubers on their Honda builds, and for some people, actually, it's quite funny, for some people who actually watched DMO's channel and saw that I broke my drive shaft, you've actually worked on this car already. Because you're the man who fixed it.
We started before,
First things first, should we tell them what we're doing today? Because as I say, it's more supporting mods as opposed to, the turbo build.
So we're taking the DC5 gearbox out as we're going turbo, which everyone knows. The reason why we're taking the DC5 gearbox out is because obviously the 4th, 5th, 6th gears are shorter. Obviously, we want more top end out of it as well, as more mid-range. That's why we're going 5-speed.
So we're going 5-speed now.
5-speed gearbox. At the same time, we're going for an M Factory Stage 1, a race pack LSD. With new race bearings and stuff. Okay. So, and we're going to put the turbo sump on with the drain So as the gearbox is coming off, subframe needs to be dropped. While it's off, while it's fitting, to block the thing for the time being. Then we don't need to drop the subframe when we do the build.
For people that don't know, pretty much what we've got here, guys, is a new turbo sump. Sorry, a new sump for the Integra.
OEM sump for a K20, which we've welded.
You've literally just on it. So that's basically just for the oil return.
Oil return on the turbo,
which obviously an NA car won't have, or even a supercharged one.
No, supercharged won't have it as well.
So that's ready and prepped to go on. So that's going on. What we have here, you've taken the LSD. In fact, it's not LSD, is it? Because it's out of the standard box.
It's a stock diff. I've taken that off of the 5-speed. Put the final drive on it.
Okay.
And I put the speedo pickup gear.
Okay.
So the speedo works. Without that, the speedo won't work.
So basically in there is the M Factory diff.
What we got there. I mean, you can
for the guys.
Look through it, you can see through it. That's one way to tell if you're going LSD or not.
Okay, cool. And bro, who we shouting out? We're shouting out someone.
Keith from JMS Hondas.
Shout out to Keith, JMS Hondas. They sorted us out. We've got a wicked deal on this M Factory diff. So if you're looking for a diff or any parts like that, JMS Hondas, they'll hook you up.
That's the stock of the diff that's in there. You can see, you can't see through it.
Got ya. So, okay, so that's one way to know straight away if your car got a diff or not. Like, you know what I mean? And obviously gearbox off, so we're operating the clutch. Now you're a bit upset with me for getting this clutch.
I don't really like competition because where there's spring brakes in them, but we gotta take it as it comes. Not a problem.
So guys, we've got a competition stage 4 clutch here. Realistically, we'd usually go for an action stage.
I'll use action.
But we're gonna deal with what we've got because this is my purchase here. So shoot me down. So yeah, we got a 6-paddle stage 4 clutch going in there, and obviously we're just changing the oil.
We changed the oil because once you use the M Factory LSD, they recommend to cover the warranty, you got to use Torque MTF.
Okay.
So that's what we're going for that.
So that's what we got here. We got the proper gearbox oil, no messing around. Pretty much that's what we're doing today. It's supporting mods for the turbo build. And I think that's pretty much all there is to say. We pretty much got to get cracking, right? All right, bro, so let's do it. So guys, as you can see, Mahir is working away like a good, and this guy does not mess around. Literally drop the subframe down. You're taking the gearbox out now, yeah? That's where we are.
I'm doing the front engine mount. And after that, we'll be lowering the gearbox down,
Gearbox oil dropped, engine oil dropped. As you see, shafts are out. This guy does not mess around. We've got the 5-speed gearbox built up with the new diff in here. The sealant is just drying now, so that is ready to pretty much go in soon. We've got the battery. If you guys ain't never seen this battery before, check how small this thing is. Like literally, let me quickly get my phone up. That's my phone in comparison to this battery. It is absolutely tiny. And yes, I did have to jump start it today because it was dead. And literally I drove it about, I don't know, probably a week prior, maybe. New sump, as you see, it's not a baffled sump, but we do currently have a clockwise motion baffled sump on the Integra right now. But am I right in saying, bro, that the
clockwise one stays up on the crank girdle, so it's already up there.
It's already up there. So all we'll be doing is taking that off and swapping it for this bad boy.
While we're taking off, we might just clean the pickup for the oil pump as well.
But apart from that, yeah, guys, as I say, this is going to be done in like stages. And when I say stages, I mean today is kind of like an initial setup. We're doing the gearbox side of things. The next stage will be the turbo build. And yes, we have got all the bits ready to go. Mahir has been pointing me in the right direction and telling me what to get and when to get it. And we're pretty much there. We're just one very small thing before we're ready to pull the trigger on it. But we're ready to go. And what we're going to do, because I ain't really told no one, is obviously we're doing a turbo build. But straight away, we're not going to build the engine. We're going to do it in stages. So we're pretty much going to push as far as we can on this stock engine. After I've run it like that for a little while and we've made some cool content on it, we're going to build this bad boy and just send it to the sky. Like literally put a stamp on it and send it. So yeah, 5-speed gearbox. What are you saying about, people say that the 6-speed is stronger?
6-speed is stronger. The synchros are better.
They're better, but it's simply ratios and drivability for the turbo or the boosted car.
Yeah. To be fair, this is alright for the stock engine cell we're going for. Once we build it, we'll probably go for upgraded gear set anyway, because the power we're looking to run with that turbo.
Yeah.
Stock gears.
It's not having it.
It's chocolate.
And what about the shafts? Because these are my shafts right now. I broke a shaft running 300 brake horsepower with a car that ain't running no torque.
We can upgrade the shafts, mate. That's
yeah.
not a problem.
Is that a must? I'll wait until I snap them.
We worry about it when he goes.
Mahir has whipped the clutch out like a good one. I just thought it was worth showing them what a stock clutch looks like compared to the one we're putting in. So the one that come out, stock one, you said it's actually relatively quite new.
The clutch is new, well, it's just burnt out, as you can see, because of the material.
So yeah, there's loads of material, and literally when you drop the gearbox, it's clutch all over the gaff. Yeah.
And you can see the clutch plate.
So basically what we got is the one that's going on, competition, six paddle clutch. Stage 4 clutch they call it, or something like that. What kind of power is that going to be good for?
It's not really the power, it's the torque.
Okay.
So I can't remember top of my head what they're rated to, but I think it should be about 4.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So it's gonna be sufficient for where we're gonna take this build at the moment.
On a stock block, yeah. Once we forge the engine and obviously push more, we will have to go for a twin disc.
Okay, cool. But right now we're saying this clutch is gonna be quite manageable, to the right foot. To the left foot.
To be fair, the daily driver this ain't gonna be bad.
Okay.
It will feel like an OEM clutch. Okay. Just a bit snatchy on the first get-go, but that's...
Yeah, so just a quick catch-up just to show you what's going in. And yeah, also cool, like, I don't know if you can see up here, but I was speaking to Mahir about the flywheel that's in this. It's a Lightning flywheel from factory. Yeah. These they only come in the DC5s.
They're coming in the DC5s and the facelift EP3s.
EP3s. So, funnily enough, with the Lightning flywheel, I was saying before, I would expect the revs to drop a lot quicker than they do. Yeah. I can't imagine what they're like on a stock EP3 pre-facelift, because I don't feel like the revs drop very quick.
Once they're mapped and stuff, you don't really find it. Yeah, obviously, especially the way I shift anyway. The revs just stay up there anyway.
Yeah. No, I hear that. So yeah, guys, that's what's going in, and yeah, I'll let you get back to it, bro. Cool, bro. So you drop the sump down now, and just to show people the clockwise baffled motion. I'm killing that. Is that how you say it? Clockwise baffled motion sump. Yeah. So that literally just slides up and out, just like that. So that is literally what that is. You can actually get baffled sumps that are made baffled, don't they?
They're welded in plates and stuff.
Yeah. Any better than that, or just?
It does the same thing. This is well.
Yeah. Primarily for track use. For people who don't know, it's the stock.
Starvation around harsh cornering.
Yeah. So that's what it is, and it's in there already, so it's a plus. And that's why it's kind of like been a bonus actually getting this car, because it's already got quite a lot of bits that we can cross over and use. So we will be saving a little bit of money plus some cool content on a supercharged car. Anything you'd be looking at with the sump off, or?
Yeah, you're just going to have a look at the chain for the oil pump.
Oh, okay.
That's what you can see, obviously. As we've checked in the oil already, there's no swarf in there, so which looks good.
Yep.
The oil pickup looks good.
Cool.
So yeah.
All good to go.
Yeah, we're good, bro.
Wicked. You know what? We weren't even going to show you. But I think it would be rude not to show you what's going on the car. But we got the big boy Precision 6266 turbo. And it's going on the whip. Are you sure this is what you're telling me, yeah?
Yeah, bro, that's solid.
Yeah? So guys, he's telling me this is the 6266 and it's going on. Bro, the wheel looks a little bit small in there though.
No, man, it's cool.
Are you sure, yeah?
Yes.
So what brake are we going to make on this?
Probably 700 brake.
700, yeah?
Yeah.
Because it's kind of small, bro. Again, mobile phone's like a lot bigger than this turbo.
Oh, it's not the size.
Yeah?
It's not the
It's
size.
how you use it, yeah?
Yeah.
So we've got the big Precision 6266. You sure though, yeah?
1000%, bro.
All right, cool. See? Looking a bit tired now, and all I'm doing is holding the camera. I don't know how my hair's feeling.
I'm sorry, bro. Let's go another round.
This guy's crazy. Guys, it's about 1 o'clock, 1:30 in the morning, 2, I don't even know. Man, he's done all the oils, he's built it all back up together. We're pretty much ready to go. You're gonna give it the first start. I don't know why this is such a special thing. You've only done a clutch and a gearbox, so it's gonna start hopefully. Jeez. How many gears were you saying, bro? We got all 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And reverse. See it there? MK Performance every day. Oh, guys, it's a little thing. But bro, what we got to show them, because obviously we need the big power gains here. We've got the 5-speed shifter, weighted skunk 2-gear knob. This here is going to add about at least 30 brake horsepower, I'm saying. The only problem right now with this is where 6th used to be, reverse is now there. And with this 5-speed gearbox, there is no reverse gear lockout, so it can go proper wrong. But hopefully that don't happen. As you see, we're up and running now. Also guys, before we go, Mahir's gonna put a little bit of sauce on this. You're gonna put some launch control on it, yeah? It's already got launch control on it, but your one's spicy. Right. Do it again. All right, cool. So that's how it sounds now. Mahir's telling me your one's just gonna be a next level thing, yeah?
Waiting to see more, bro.
Oh man, it's so late. This guy's still going. He's got the laptop plugged into the, we got a K-Pro in here, innit?
K-Pro.
And you put a little sauce on it now, innit?
Yeah,
all right, bro, let's hear the launch control now. Oh shit. Hey, it's leg in flames, bro. Jeez. We telling them, MK Performance, yeah?
Yeah, just as a starter pack, bro.
Man said starter pack. Oh, I'm done. What time is it? It's late. It's late. All right, guys, so that is a wrap. As you've seen today, Mahir has just been pretty much flat out. It is crazy o'clock in the morning right now, but we got flames now. We didn't even come in for no flames, but he put a little bit of sauce in it. Man called it the starter pack.
That's Jamie's starter pack.
The starter pack.
OG starter pack.
OG starter pack. So we've got the 5-speed gearbox in there now. We've got the new sump on there, ready for the turbo build. We've also got the 6-pedal stage 4 clutch. What else we got? The M Factory diff with the race bearings. We're pretty much ready to go. And most importantly, the Skunk 2 weighted 5-speed gear knob. Guys, we've got a beast in the making here. As I say, stay tuned for this build because it's just gonna be mad. We're gonna proper get back on track with it too. To get things rolling with this because I really want to boost this ASAP. So guys, once again, a massive shout out to Mahir down here at MK Performance, and also if you guys are looking for any mechanical work to be done, make sure you hit him up. I'll leave all links in the description, especially tuning and mapping when it comes to the Hondas because he is the wizard when it comes to this cheese. And yeah, guys, if you have enjoyed today, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you go back and check some other content out too because I know you like that. And right now I'm going to sleep, so I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.